Alves. Pinasakay Piso. Number 29 for 3. No good. Record by Agripa. Agripa. Basket by Agripa. Grabe, basic lang ah. Number 10. Jackson. Dribble ball. 15 to shoot. Senyeda. 10 to shoot. For 3. No good. Dribble by Alves. Alves. Pinasakay Agripa. Agripa. Uy, binitbitan by Agripa.
Ayun, magaling eh, di ba?
Number 10. Laksa, dribble. 15 to shoot. Laksa, pinasakay Senyeda. Basket by Senyeda. Pass to Galvez, number 23. Galvez for 3. No good. Dribble by number 7, Alves. Out of bounds. Oras natin 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 13 to shoot. Number 8. Pinasakay number 10, Plaza. Plaza for shot. No good. Dribble by Agripa. Napakalasa ng batang yun. Number 10, Agripa. Agripa sumagasad na. Now number 18. Senyeda. Lutua. Senyeda. Sumagasad na. Foul. Who's foul? 29. Sabret. Pasok at papasok. Labas at lalabas. Second row, ready to go. Second row, ready to go. No good. Dribble by. Nakuha niya ng Tares. Pulo. Pinasakay number 18. Senyeda. Fake shot. No good. Dribble by number 30. Number 30. Agripa. Agripa. Pinasakay Bertulan. Bertulan. No good. Dribble by Agripa. Basket by Agripa. Number 4. Pinasakay Plaza. Plaza. Dribble the ball. Number 10. 15 to shoot. Pinasakay Galvez. Galvez, pinasakay number 14. Number 14. Basket by number 14. Pinyasa. Number 13. Agripa. Flip the ball. Agripa. Pass number 29. Piso. Pinasakay na. Pinagalipa. Dribble by number 1. Betulan na naman. Oh! Double dribble. Oras natin, 5 minutes, 57 seconds. 5 minutes, 57 seconds. The third quarter in the game. Number 29. Paralan, pinasakay number 10. Lakso. Foul. Who's foul? Number, pushing foul. Pushing foul. Basket. Second row. Ready to jump. Second row. Ready to jump. No good. Basket pala. Number 29. Piso. Pinasakay Galvez. Number 23. Number 23. Pinasakay number 29. 15 to shoot. Galvez. No good. Dribble back. Galvez na naman. Number 23, umikot. Pinasakay. Time out from the side. Violet P. Destroyer. Kasi nakakatakot. Destroyer pala.